And gentlemen, good evening. I could not hear you. Good evening.
Good evening.
That's good. It's our pleasure to welcome you to the wonderful show that we are hosting tonight. Vindhya Cultural Association presents Karaoke and Band Competition 2014. By the way, I am Mahendranath Vanne. We have,
Sita Parmeshwaran.
and we are the MCs for tonight's show. On this occasion, Vindhya Cultural Association wishes you
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தமிழ் பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Andarki Sankranti Subhakankshalu.
Happy Magre Sankranti.
Happy Uttarayan.
Happy Sankrat.
Happy Bogal Bihu.
Happy Sakrat.
Happy Magasaja.
Happy Lohri.
मुबारक हो आपको
Happy
मकर
Pau-
संक्रांति.
Happy Posh Parboon. As it's customary in our events, we begin this show by invoking the Lord Almighty. I would like to invite Shivani on stage to deliver the Ganapati Stati. Thanks.
Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmahe Ekadantam Upasmahe
Thank you, Shivani. I now invite Srimati Vandana Varni, PCA Program Coordinator, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Mahi and Sita. On behalf of the Vindhya Cultural Association's Executive Committee, I would like to invite you all to our Pongal Sankranti celebrations featuring our second band competition and for the first time ever, a karaoke competition. We, on the committee, are honored you can join us tonight and forever grateful for all your support and encouragement. Today we are excited to be hosting 9 bands, 8 karaoke groups, over 80 participants in all ages from 7 to 55. We have introduced 2 categories for band and 2 categories for karaoke. We want to encourage all of our expatriate and local talent, especially children, regardless of age, region or nationality, to showcase their talents here. We are quite excited to even have a few participants that are drawn to the excitement of this competition but are not even of Indian origin. We are proud to continue to draw talent as far as Cleveland. I would also like to take this opportunity to invite our esteemed judges for the evening. They have the roughest challenge of all tonight. Welcome, honorable judges. Our judges tonight have the same passion and mission we at Vindhya hold near and dear to our heart. I'm especially honored to welcome them here. Shri Shivji Hiremath, one of our esteemed judges, has a PhD in molecular biology and works as a scientist for the USDA Forest Service. He has no formal training in music. However, he has been playing the harmonium on and off since childhood. His interest in classical music began during his stay in Pune while working for his PhD. He has accompanied on harmonium and keyboards many visiting and local classical light music vocalists in USA during last several years. He has established an organization called Swaranjali, whose goals, similar to Vindhya, are to preserve and promote Hindustani classical music and dance traditions in the Central Ohio region and in the rest of the USA. He spends time in organizing programs and tours, assisting artists touring US, and helping young adults interested in learning Indian music. You can find information about the artists he sponsors and other Swaranjali activities on the website www.swaranjalicolumbus.com. Welcome Shivji, we are honored to have you here. Srimati Sumamala, another one of our esteemed judges this evening, was born into a family of music enthusiasts. Started to learn both vocal and veena at a very young age from her father, Sri Devalapalli Jayant Kumar, who is a disciple of Sri T. Parthasarathi, flautist and disciple of veteran Nadaswaram Vidwan, Sri Paiti Swami. Later on, she was blessed to finesse her veena skills from Srimati Jayanti Kumaresh, a well-known veena artist in her own class. Subhamala maintains a distinctive style of the exquisite tonal quality, speed and versatility that have been magical hallmarks of her style of playing the veena. Subhamala received a diploma in veena and a master's degree in computers. She worked as a professional artist at All India Radio Hyderabad. Welcome Subhamala. Sri Mohinder Ghantasala is the grandson of the legendary singer Padma Shri Ghantasala Venkateshwara Rao and son of Bharatanatyam dancer Parvati Ravi Ghantasala. He is the disciple of Guru Karaikudi Mani and had his initiation in Mridangam at a very early age. He has performed on the Mridangam for several Bharatanatyam concerts for his mother and other reputed artists as well. Mohinder is a CPA with Deloitte and Touche. Apart from traveling and performing this art, Mo also manages Kala Pradarshini, founded by Srimati Parvati Ravi Ghantasala in Chennai, which promotes various Indian art forms. Something he tells people who ask how he manages his schedule: auditing is his profession, music is his passion. Welcome Mo, we are glad to have you here. Again, we could not do any of these functions without you, our audience, so another warm welcome to you all. A few ground rules, please. I'm not done yet, hold your applause. No food or drink in the auditorium. We appreciate your presence, so please don't leave us presents in the form of trash. Please pick up your trash after yourselves. Through the performances, your silence during and applause after the performances are much appreciated. The kids and adults performing today have worked very hard and have put in very many hours of practice. So, please make sure your appreciation for their hard work is heard. And your cell phones on silence, please. Thank you, welcome again.
Thank you, Srimati Vandana. I know you are tired after this long, lengthy speech. I know how to get you back to the mood. Okay, without much further ado, delay, now let's invite our today's first kids band on stage, the C Minors. Playing for C Minors are Akshat, Arjun, Arun, Vishal and Shruti. The band director is Mr. Vivek Velayappan. They are performing in Tamil to the A.R. Rahman number from the movie Vinnai Thandi Varuvaya. Any guesses? The track? Aro Male. Sorry, I'm not going to bother you by singing it. We have C minus for that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them big round of applause to the C minors. Judges, please note this entry is in kids band category.